Aaron Judge down 0-2 and a swing and a miss. Trevino wipes him out. Talk to me.
My back's been off and on bothering me this past year. Obviously it was sometimes when I was pitching, it'd flare up. When I'd stand around, especially during BP, you get really tight.
So you've been here now for 6 sessions, and how much better does your back feel?
Well, it's night and day difference. My back feels much better than it did when I got here.
No pain now when you're throwing?
Yeah, no pain whatsoever. Feel good, feel strong.
Hi, I'm Zach from Corexcell Sports Training. If you want to learn more about how we rehab our clients, subscribe to our YouTube channel and also check out our playlist titled Educational Episodes.